Good morning, myself Dr. Ravina Kalyan, Faculty of Physiotherapy Department. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and share the content. So in this presentation, we'll talk about the structure classification of the joint. And according to this, joints are of three types: fibrous, cartilaginous and synovial. And in the last two presentation, we'll talk about the fibrous and the cartilaginous joint. Now we'll discuss about the synovial joint. So this is a figure of the synovial joint and the parts that are present in the synovial joint. These are the articular surface, and there is a covering of the articular surface which is known as articular cartilage. There is a space present between the joint which is known as joint cavity, which is filled with the synovial fluid. And this joint cavity is covered by the joint capsule. There is present of the ligament which connects the one bone to the another. So synovial joint. Synovial joint are the most evolved, therefore the most mobile type of the joint. So its characteristic are: first is articular surface. Articular surface are covered with hyaline or articular cartilage or fibrocartilage in certain membrane bones. Articular cartilage is avascular, non-nervous and elastic. And the cartilage is lubricated with the synovial fluid, which provides slippery surface for the movement. For example, like ice on ice. Second characteristic is, between the articular surface there is a joint cavity which is filled with the synovial fluid. The cavity may be partially or completely subdivided by an articular disc or meniscus. So this is also figure of the synovial joint, that is, this is the articular surface which is covered by the articular cartilage, that is of hyaline cartilage. There is a space present between the joint which is known as joint cavity, which is filled by the synovial membrane. Third is, the joint is surrounded by the articular capsule, which is made up of fibrous capsule lined by a synovial membrane. And the fibrous capsule is sensitive to stretches imposed by movement because of rich nerve supply. This sets up appropriate reflexes to protect the joint from any sprain. This is called the watchdog action of the capsule. Also, the fibrous capsule is often reinforced by the capsular or true ligament, second by the accessory ligament. Next is synovial membrane. Synovial membrane lines the wall of the interior of the joint except for articular surface covered by hyaline cartilage. And the membrane secretes a slimy viscous liquid called synovial fluid or synovia, which lubricates the joint and nourishes the articular cartilage. And the fourth characteristic of the synovial joint is, they provide the varying degree of the movement are always permitted by the synovial joint. So according to the movement, synovial joint can be uniaxial, biaxial or multi-axial joint. Thank you.